Today, I read it to you. Repeat. How to blend. How to blend. How to blend. To blend the consonants and the vowels. How to blend the consonants and the vowels. Now here, we need to create maybe a noun or a sentence or a word. For you to do it, you need to blend, to join one letter who came from consonant and the other one who came from vowel. But here, be careful because we are talking about the sounds. You remember in the alphabetic letters, we have how many? 26 letters in alphabetic. And in that 26 is in two big parts. That two big parts is consonants and the vowels. 21 consonants and the 5 vowels, sometimes 6 vowels, which is Y, sometimes. So now we are talking about the sounds, the letter sounds. I believe you remember what is the letter sounds for all consonants and for all vowels. The letter sounds. Okay? Let me remind you about that letter sounds here, and we can now join it or to blend it. We go together. Bo. Bo. This is the sound. Bo. Do. Go. G. 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 L. 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 M. M. Quoi. No quoi. Non quoi. Je dis quoi. Z. A. E. I. O. U. And U. U. I repeat it. We read the sounds, please. Not the letter, the alphabetic letter, but is the letter sounds. You know what is the letter sound and the alphabetic letter, because the way we read it here, it means that is the sound. It is not for the alphabetic letters, because bo is sound for B. B is alphabetic letter. B is alphabetic letter B. But the sound of B becomes bo. It becomes bo. And the letter of K is C. 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 That is the letter, not the sounds. I repeat it. The sounds of C, it becomes K. Now, that is it. Let us join now, or let us blend that letter sounds from consonants and vowels. Blend means to join, c'est-à-dire mettre ensemble, mélanger. That is blend. When we talk about blending, c'est-à-dire c'est mettre ensemble quelque chose, tu mélanges. Maintenant ici, we need to join, to blend the letter who came from consonants, but in their sounds, very important, in their sounds, and the letter who came from vowel. I repeat it, in their sounds, dans les sons, dans la manière de prononciation. In another way, we call it in the phonetics. Can you repeat it? Phonetics. Phonetics. That is the sounds of letters, the phonetics. As you know, bo, k, do, f, go, h, g, k, dash, dash, dash. You know it already. Now, we need now to blend it. Can you see here? Everyone, you can see here. Now, I need someone to tell me what is this letter sound. Tell me, Hermo, what is this letter sound? Tell me, what is this letter sound? What is this letter sound? Thank you very much, and let me say God bless you. That is K. Okay? Very good. Repeat it to all of us. K. Now, this one, what is it in letter sounds? Ah, thank you so much. But you said this one is K. Maintain it, okay? This one is K. And this one is A. Maintenant, veuillez marier K et A. Hein? Joint, blend, K and A. Ça fait quoi? K. Because is K and A. K plus A, it becomes what? K. What is this letter sound? What is this letter sound? Thank you very much, and God bless you. Now, first of all, we talk about this one is K, and this one is A. Now, this one, it becomes okay? Now, join all three here. K, A. Ça fait quoi? Cat. Thank you so much. Clap for him. Okay? Cat. Thank you so much. Okay? Now here. Please see here. What is this letter sound here? What is this letter sound here? Cordage? Do. Okay, not D, but do. Okay, that is it. And the second one, what is this letter sound? This one? Hermo? This one, just this one. The second one, this one. What is this? What is this letter sound? Thank you so much. God bless you. This is O. Okay? The first one is Do. The second one is O. Okay? Now, join O, Do plus O. C'est-à-dire Do plus O. Ça fait quoi? Again? That is it. Thank you so much for that. Ça fait directement Do. Now, what is this letter sound here? What is this letter? I say letter sounds, not the alphabetic letter, but letter sounds. What is this one? Go. God bless you. Okay? This is Go. Okay? This is Go. Now, let us join this one. You said this one is Do. And this one is O. Do plus O. Do plus O. It gives us Do. Plus Go. It gives us Dog. Okay? Now for that dog, okay, you read it just dog. Who can read it? Dog. Repeat it. Dog. Don't say doggo. Because this one is go. Yeah, this one is go. Okay, but don't read doggo. Read just dog. Okay, that is English. Okay. Now, what is this letter sound? The letter sound. This one. What is this letter sound? What is this letter sound? Ah, very good, and God bless you. And this one, what is this letter sound? Now, join now. A and A and join it, blend it. Mélange ça. A and parlez ça. A and join it. It becomes Repeat it. Repeat it. Okay? A plus it becomes What is this letter sounds here? What is this? What is that? This letter sound. Bo. Thank you so much. And God bless you. We said this one is A. This one is and this one is Bo. Okay? Now, we need to join all of three here. Who has an idea? Thank you so much. Clap for him. Clap for him. Okay? Because this one is A. And this one is and this one is Bo. Now, for joining all three, it becomes A. Okay? What is the letter sound of this one? Okay? What is the letter sound of this one? Yeah. Speak it very good. Sorry? R. Thank you so much. Now, we need to join A, and Bo, and R. Did you say it? These three here, 1, 2, 3 is Now we join it, R. It becomes what? Sorry? Ambre. Do you have an idea? It becomes what? It becomes what? It becomes what? Sorry? Ambor. Ambor. Ra. Mix it. Put ra inside. That is it I was looking for. Repeat it. Speak it very good. Sorry? Ambre. Repeat it. Ambre. Repeat it. Ambre. What is this letter sound? Thank you so much. This one we said is the first one. But this one is Thank you so much for that one. Now we join ambre and it becomes ambra. Thank you so much. Now what is the letter sound for this one? Sorry, come again. Repeat it. Thank you so much. God bless you. Now we need to join all of them here. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of 6 letters. Who can tell me? This one it was ambra. Who can tell me what is this one? Come. Sorry? You don't speak it very good, English is the pronunciation, the way you speak it. That is English. C'est comment tu parles, comment tu prononces ça. Come again. Loudly. Loudly, monte. Umbrella. Repeat it. Umbrella. 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 Thank you so much. What is this letter sound? Thank you so much. What is this letter sound? Plus it becomes va. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Now what is this letter sound? Thank you so much. Va plus what is that? Van. Clap for him. Clap for him very good. Yeah. What is this letter sound? I like it so much. I like the way you do today. What is this letter sound? U. Okay? And this one? E. Thank you so much. But E, it is not the letter sound. E is what? E is the alphabet letter. Okay? E is the alphabet letter, but it is not the letter sound. Now, letter sound for E is A. Thank you so much. Letter sound for E is A. Okay? You said this one is U. And this one is U and A. It becomes what? Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. And what is this letter sounds? And that one? Are you sure? Very good. And clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Okay? You say this one is U, this one is A, it becomes Y. This one is L, and this one is L, it becomes what? Yell. Okay? Yell. What is this letter sound? Oh, now we need to join all of the all of this one. It becomes what? Yellow. Clap for yourself. Thank you so much. What is this letter sounds? Bo. What is this letter sounds? O. Bo plus O, it becomes bo. Thank you so much. What is this letter sounds? I said letter sounds. What is this? Letter sounds. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Okay? Clap for yourself. Okay. No, clap for her. Clap for her. She's the one who gave that answer. Clap for her. Bro, clap for her. Clap for her. This one is, repeat it. Now give me the letter sound of this one. Now this one. That is the difference. This one is, but this one is, and this one is. Thank you so much. Okay. We said this one is bo, this one is o, and this one is. Who can join bo, o, and the x? What is this? Come in. Sorry? Do you have an idea? What is this? Come in. What is this? Box. Now, what is this letter sound? Letter sound for this one. Thank you so much. A. Now, box plus A. It becomes box. Clap for yourself. Thank you so much. What is this letter sound? Thank you so much. The letter sounds here is and the alphabetic letter is what? Not. Okay, is Q, but letter sounds, it becomes. Thank you so much. Now here, what is the letter sounds? That is it. Now, this one is what? Kwa. And what is this? Try to join it. Sorry? Kwa. Kwa. Thank you so much for trying. And this one, what is this letter sound? A. Okay? Now, kwa plus A, it becomes what? It becomes what? No, I said kwa plus A plus plus A, it becomes what? Come in. Be here, please. It becomes what? Talk to mommy. There are someone there outside. It becomes what? Kwe. Thank you so much. Okay. It becomes kwe. Okay. Now, what is this one here? Huh? Repeat it. Thank you so much. Bonjour, père. Okay, this one is this one. And then we repeat for you because yeah. Okay, this one is okay. This one is plus A, it's giving plus A, it's giving kwe. Okay, kwe. Repeat it. Kwe. 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 This one is Ah, quest, quest. Repeat it, quest, quest. What is this letter sound? T. What is this one? T. Thank you so much. Quest, que plus T, it becomes quest plus T, it becomes quest. That is it. Come again. Quest. Okay. Now, what is this letter sound? What is this letter sound? I said letter sound. Thank you so much. Now, the alphabetic letters for that one. That is the difference. Okay. This one is letter sounds. This one is alphabetic letter. Now, letter sound. Quest plus E, it becomes quest. Quest. Repeat it. Quest. Quest. What is this letter sound? O. Now, quest plus O, it becomes quest. Huh? Quest. Repeat it. Quest. 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 What is this letter sound? Repeat it. Now, quest. Who can join it? Quest plus Question. Clap for him. Thank you so much. Okay. Question. It means like question. Question. No, it is not difficult to join the consonant and the vowel, their sound, to join it together. It is not difficult for you to get some words or some noun or some sentence. Even if it is not giving the meaning. It is not giving the sense. But you try just to do something, to join it, okay? What is this letter sound? Thank you so much. What is this letter sound? Thank you so much. Plus E, it becomes Thank you so much. What is this letter sound? Now join plus it becomes what? Rn. Rn. Okay. Now we join it. This one is what? Go. Thank you so much. Repeat it. This one is now rn plus go. It becomes come again. Come again. You said Ringo. Okay, it's okay to say Ringo, but you come with your answer. Ring. Repeat it. Ring. Ring. La langue. Faut pas oublier vraiment ça. Ring. Ring. Mais tu as vraiment totalement raison de dire Ringo. Parce que normalement, il fallait que ça soit Ringo. Mais comme c'est dans la prononciation de parler l'anglais, tu dois effacer les O qui est là. On mêle en gros quand tu l'as donc ring, ring, ring. Repeat it. Ring. Thank you so much. Okay. What is this letter sound? Thank you so much. What is this letter sound? What is this letter sound? Join it together.
Sun.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Sun. Okay? Sun. What is this letter sound?
T.
T. Thank you so much. What is this letter sound? R. What is this letter sound? What is this letter sound? E. What is this letter sound? Now, this one is T, this one is R, this one is A, this one is E, this one is It becomes,
Three.
We join now 3. 1, 2, 3. T, R, A. It becomes tra. Okay? Plus E.
Three.
Plus E.
Three.
Train it, it's okay, but in the good way now, in the simple way, is try. Okay? C, R, and the A. Try. And the E. Try. Try. Okay? But wait. That is try in the simple way. But we can not read it try because here to the beginning we have what? Now join that into try. It becomes trying. Thank you so much. But because for that A and the E, we read it like A in English. Okay? Now read it. Compare that A and the E is A. Who can read it? Friend. Thank you so much. Okay? Read again. Friend. It's okay? I'm very happy today. You are learned very good. What is this letter sound? O. This one? L. This one? Do. Not D. Do. Okay? This one is O. This one is L. This one is Do. Now, we begin. We begin together. All. Ah, thank you so much for trying old. It's okay, but here we read just old. 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 Yeah. Old, it means grown. Okay? What is this letter sound? This one? A. This one? Wa. Plus A, it becomes ne. Plus wa, it becomes now. Okay. But sorry? Now it becomes, but let me help you. Plus A, it becomes ne. Okay? Now, ne plus wa, normally it becomes neo. Neo, okay? But in English, be careful here because you cannot read here neo. You're going to read here because this A, okay? This A here, you're going to read it like an alphabetic letter, not a sound here. This alphabetic letter is called what? This alphabetic letter is called what? This one. Thank you so much. It's called E. Now, plus E plus wa. It becomes, I said, this one is E. Where is now A? Where is A here? There is no A. This one, I repeat it. Normally is A in letter sound. But here, we're going to understand it like the alphabetic letter, not the letter sound. And according to the alphabetic letter, this one is E. Okay? This one is to the sound, this one is Now this one is E according to letter, okay? Plus E, it's giving what? Ni. Plus this one is what? Wa. Now it becomes what here? What? New. Okay? New. Repeat it. New. Because is plus E, or let me write it like this, plus E and plus Who can read it? That is it. This one and this one is the same, but you can't write it like this. Tu ne peux pas écrire ça comme ça. You must write it like this. Okay? It's giving new. Okay? It's giving new. I think that is all. Thank you so much for today. But let me do that. Let me do that. Someone tell me, what is this letter sound? What is this letter sound? Thank you so much. What is this letter sound? What is this letter sound? Thank you so much. What is this letter sound? What is this letter sound? E. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Don't disturb me, bro. This one is E. Thank you so much. What is this letter sounds? What is this letter sound? What is this letter sounds? What is this letter sound? Sorry? Thank you so much. What is this letter sound? 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 You still have a problem with the letter sounds. What is this letter sounds? You need to do research, not research, but to do revision for what I taught you. That is it. Thank you so much for today. I don't know if you have a question. If someone have a question, it can give me that question. If you have a question, come with it. If someone have a question, come with it. Because I need to remove it, I need to rub it, then I give you mark, and you pass here, you blend for us 3 letters. I need to rub the table, then I pass you here, I give you marker, you blend for us, you join for us